our community. And unfortunately, since this was brought on the agenda, unfortunately this morning we've heard this decision is now proceeding to consultation, and already the campaign in our county is on high alert. There's only going to be one consultation event for the removal of emergency surgery from our community. Like, that means there'll be no emergency surgery anywhere from Anarch Road. We are effectively being treated as second-class citizens again. And I think that people need to wake up to what that will mean for our future, for our community sustainability and go forward. This is a huge issue for the trade union movement. It's been led, there's a campaign that's been going on for 2.5 years to try and get this service restored. Ordinary people doing extraordinary things, people who have had life-changing experiences in the health service, people in wheelchairs, that's who's been fighting to sustain this service, and I want to pay tribute to their effort. They've been doing it every step of the way in conjunction with our trade union movement in our area, and we remain confident that we can restore this service. There was a roadmap launched in the last few months which shows how this can happen if there's political will, and that SWA can actually have its full status restored with emergency surgery for the local community, but also realising its true potential, what it was built for, which is cross-border collaboration, working together in health, but also that can make a huge contribution to addressing waiting lists in Northern Ireland through elective care. This can be achieved through the NHS. We can see investment for NHS paid consultants based in SWA. This can be achieved, but unfortunately the reality is that this retrenchment agenda is being driven by the interests of private medical companies who want everything in the NHS moulded around themselves. And the truth is, and the tough truth for rural communities, is that there's just not enough of us living in our areas to make it profitable enough for them to locate services near us. And we have to fight against this. Now, I'll finish with this one thought. This is not a new happening. This happened in the south of Ireland. And the reality is it was such a disaster that the Irish government, we know what they're like, but it's such a bad disaster that it had to expend huge resources to try and open rural services and rural hospitals to undo the damage that's been done. We're calling on the Minister to intervene, to reverse this. This motion is supporting that, and we need your support as a trade union movement. This is going to be the fight of our lives. We fought against fracking before, we fought many fights, and we are sure that we'll win through. We're going to mobilise the community, and we're going to leave them under no doubt that we are not going to be treated like second-class citizens in our county. Thank you.